Hi all, today I'll show you how I installed Sileo Package Manager on iOS 18. Use your Safari browser and search Install Sileo for iOS 18. Then select iOS 18 Jailbreak Silzi page. Scroll down to find the TyMax Jailbreak tool. Tap on the Install TyMax Online button. Here you'll get the Pangu 8 store, install it. Open Pangu 8 store, select Jailbreak Solutions. You'll find the TyMax on the list, tap on it to install. To do the jailbreak process, open the app and continue as you can see on the screen. It's time to install Sileo using the Jailbreak tool. Choose Install Sileo Lite and tap on Continue. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Sileo Package Manager. Now you can get third-party apps, themes, tweaks and much more jailbreak features using Sileo. It's your time to experience the best features. Visit Silzi and find more things. Goodbye for now.